Okay, now, when we talk about a tenant improvement for electrical estimating, there are a lot of things to consider, but it is tremendously easier than any one from the ground up, as you can imagine, right? Because you have the same panels, you may be adding one, but that's not a big deal. One thing to look for, make sure you do, and how they interpret it. And this one was kind of crazy, but you got to do a lot of thinking because when you do the demo portion of the electrical, did they actually demo any electrical power or was it only lighting? And if the panels don't show a lot of new breakers, you got to figure out why, which this one didn't. And it was kind of weird how they represented it. But yeah, you're not going to have all the panels replaced. So hopefully they have an easy way for you to determine the new panel breakers. But it's the same step one, step two, step three. And remember, when you have something already existing, whether it's plumbing, HVAC, electrical, you have to determine, first of all, and they won't show you in the demo, are we demoing the power to the panel or are we just taking out the light itself? And that's tremendously different. So what do? You don't include anything you don't see. And then when you go in the walkthrough, because you win, because you're bare bones and you know how to apply your overhead and profit if you've taken any of my classes, right? So you're not just out there just throwing random numbers, okay? So Monday workshop, you get my step one, step two, step three process. You also get all of my man-hour calculators, okay, related to electrical, and they are increasing by the day, and you get the app to create your estimate that you could save, print, or send. Okay, so all of my classes on Mondays, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Pacific time, and it's first come, first serve. So I don't teach all of them every Monday. So if you're interested, make sure you reach out and let me know. But yes, these are real projects that I bid on. I submitted yesterday, and luckily they've given an extension, so now I'm going to do plumbing and HVAC, so those representations will be up here soon for you to see as well. But this is Stacy. Make sure you give me your thoughts, sign up for a class. See you soon.